Richards Bay 2, Kaizer Chiefs 2. It was an away game. Kaizer Chiefs, this is the first time they draw with Richards Bay. So in 10 games, Kaizer Chiefs won 5, lost 4, and drew 1. So in today's game, into singasho nje ukuthi Brendan Peterson was the highlight, because it seems like ukuthi this thing of him making mistakes will keep on going on if ever he doesn't fix it. And think the best thing to do is to bench him, so that maybe if there's something is going through, he'll find time ukuthi akwazi ukudila nayo. Because what do you call that? Yes, we might say the grass was slippery, it's raining, but at least make sure that you don't put yourself under pressure. There, he had all the time to clear that ball, but because he wanted to be smart, he waited for Xolo to press him, and then it was a goal. Okay, we then equalize. Come again. The very same defense, Kunika, the player that you know which is cool, calm and collected on the ball, is put under pressure, he cracks. He plays that back pass to a Brendan Peterson that not so long ago was pressed. So here he reacted at least fast. Let me at least make a corner. But in that corner, still they can't deal with that aerial threat. Instead of marking the players of Richards Bay, they mark each other. 2 players of Richards Bay were unmarked. They were free. They scored that goal. And I believe Guti, an on-song Brendan Peterson, an informed Brendan Peterson would have made a save. But no, because confidence is low, nakanjani uzo consider, because sitting in the. And I'm glad that we didn't lose this game, because if we did, it would have all came to resting with it. Once the team that we are playing against scores first, we panic and we find it difficult to display a game in. But here we saw a resilience and we saw a fighting spirit from the Giants, because we tried by everything possible. After conceding, let's try and score as quickly as possible, so that we minus that deficit, and also we make sure that we keep on piling that pressure to get that winning goal. So first half, the setup was 3-4-3. So you could tell good, okay, khona ama players bewazodlala as ama wing back. It was Umonyane and Umodi. But obviously that simply means good phambili bekuvilakazi uBatman and also uPule Modi. Middle of the park, it was Maboyi Ndlovu, Monyane and Ushabalala. So obviously angeke uthi that was a bad lineup. But obviously in a game like this, you know what you're going to play against a team that are willing runners, a team that doesn't mind sitting in the back and play in moments. That's what they usually do when they play against big teams. And obviously we will also consider the fact that the conditions were not favorable for both teams. I cannot say with Kaizer Chiefs, because even Richards Bay is not their home ground. They had to adapt. So with Kaizer Chiefs, you saw good players were sleeping. So that simply means one thing, even ama soccer boots that they were wearing, we saw Mduduzi Shabalala slept many times. We saw Kunika making a mistake, and we know which is not a player that is used to making mistakes. We expect that from Inacio Miguel, of which he did make his own part. Luckily, fortunately, we didn't concede. But I'd say within this game, we controlled the game. We had the most position. We created the most chances, but we ended up drawing, of which it is understandable, because I don't think we were clinical enough in front of goal, because Luke Batman could have scored, Wandile Duba could have scored a brace. It's all about the technique when you're in front of the goalpost. That's what I realized. But in terms of playing, I was impressed by Umloisane. He was playing as if he arrived at Chiefs 5 years ago, because he was cool, calm, and also one thing I noticed, he's a good pass of the ball. Even though he was playing on the left, but he made sure his right foot doesn't stand in his way. Instead, in terms of passing, making those forward passes, and you could see from the trivelas and also the short passes, his passing range is very good. And there were moments where he was under pressure, but he didn't crack. He was composed, even though he made a mistake, but he recovered. very well. So that's something you should give to defense, especially all of them. I saw the defense playing more than the forward players. Miguel was comfortable, Mkunek was comfortable, Mloisan was comfortable. They all had many touches because they needed that patient build up going forward. So inkinga ibisisesiswini, but there's not one thing I've realized. Umaboy, when he's played with the Ox, it doesn't shine. But pay him with Undlovu, you'll see the best of Umaboy. And Undlovu, I understand his role. It's all about me moving into the right spaces at the right time. In 3 games, he has 2 assists, 1 goal. That tells you something. Coach Fernando da Cruz has caught indaba yekarate. You see, what's important is for you to become the best version of yourself. Don't let what you were doing last season tarnish your name, because now people think you play karate. But what's important is for you to keep on delivering. As a senior player, you must show up, because if it was another player, he wouldn't even bother to go in that space. Kudos to Asanele Velepai off the bench, provided an assist. Another player that I'd say Guti, given enough game time, I believe Guti strikers will feast. They're gonna eat nice with Ufei Abrahams. I saw his crossing technique is very good because all the crosses were dangerous. It's just we needed that one striker that is clinical in front of goal. But give him game time, I believe it is going to give a lot of defenders a tough time, because 1v1 he can eliminate, he has speed, and also he has an eye for a cross and also for a pass. So that's a player. I saw the same stature of Augustin Sereno, the way he runs, the way he positions himself. So it's all about to work rate. Good. The coach decided, let me introduce him, because in this situation we need a goal. And when you need a goal against a team that is parking the bus, you know very well, one of the key things to do is to put in crosses inside the box, is to shoot from range, and another thing is to make sure you have players that are good enough that can share the ball, so that they can bait opponent. They move out of space, and then you get those spaces, and then you capitalize. One delay too, but technique failed him because he could have scored a brace. He came off the bench, and you could see his intentions was to help the team, but it wasn't be. So that tells you something. At least the coach understands his team. Good, even if I had this approach, but my bench also, I must rely on it. Good, it's either uyangena umjidu assister or uyangena umjidu yakora. The player I'm concerned about is Igodaro, because I think impatience is a hambi pele with my fans, because one, he's starved. Another thing is that the way he plays, sometimes he finds himself playing more as a middle fielder because he has to drop deep and collect instead of being a strike. And you cannot falter him. But nama moments magase boxing whereby he should use his body because he's that bulk. So it simply means he can bully our defenders. Duduzi Shabalala, I'd say him and Fundo Vilakazi and Bartman, they were combining very well. It's just in Jaguti, I'd say the conditions were not favorable to them, but you could see those glimpses of this combination of Amachoke could produce this. Because when we were going forward with the transition, you could see this was the intention with Munyane adding in that right flank, so that we have that numerical superiority going forward. But another thing in Ibonian with the MLS work towards Yona is to make sure even if things go our way, we should not get over excited, because it seems like we forget we have to win this game, because we can create our chances, but we're not converting. Even in the first half, we could have led. There was a free kick. It was piled back by Otieno to play. Bartman could have scored in the follow-up. But I believe it was a beautiful save. Another thing that I've realized is that in terms of playing, there's this thing that we often do. Sometimes players, they get too selfish. With Mabafika and boxing, sometimes the only thing that you have to do, look up and see your teammate that is in a better position, lay him the ball, and then they finish. That's what Velepai did, because he realized Angsu left number 1, so let me cut back. but amanye ama-players mawafika eboxini bafuna ukukhahlela, they get overexcited and they get too carried away. But it wasn't a bad game, to be honest, bafethu. Kaizer Chiefs played well and I was impressed with how they were sharing the ball. They were finding each other. It's just that we are playing against a team that would make it difficult for Kaizer Chiefs to win this game. But the overall performance, I think ama-stats azikhulumela in terms of position, in terms of chances created. And the players that came from the bench also had an impact for Kaizer Chiefs to find themselves like, okay, to look like a team that wants to win or a team that wants to equalize. Because it wasn't a bad game, to be honest. Maybe if the conditions were different, we could have seen a different Kaizer Chiefs. Or maybe if Brandon Peterson didn't make that mistake, we could have seen a different Kaizer Chiefs. Because sometimes when you make a mistake, it's like you're killing the spirit of ama-teammates wakho. Amanye adigibala, kube difficult for them to come back. But sometimes it's good nama-players now abhele u-goalkeeper. But this is unacceptable of it. Brandon Peterson must make sure that he fixes his ways, because otherwise kusho ukuthi kumele sibone uBruce Vuma or uRonaldo lina, because asikwazi ukuthi singabekezelana nento ekanje. Kugcina kube ngazathi sinamanga thina besimkhulumela ukuthi kumele yaku World Cup into ena kanjalo, sekubukeka ngazathi manje he's a one season wonder. No, come end of the season Sipho Chain collects goalkeeper of the season siyakhala. While uNtshebe enza kanje, wayigcina nini clean sheet uNtshebe? Kodwa ke bafethu, tell me ku comment section ukuthi how did you see the game? What do you think Kaizer Chiefs could have done better to walk away with the win in this fixture? Niyazi bafethu, ikhosi aliphele moya. Dango.